Hello everyone, this is Vikas. This is second part of this chapter 3, Coordinate Geometry, Mathematics class 9. In this video, we study to plot the given points on Cartesian plane. Some points is given there, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 3, minus 5, minus 1 and 5 and 0. Okay, now we want to represent on these points on Cartesian plane. Okay, first of all, you will make this Cartesian plane on your graph copy. Okay, two perpendicular line like this way. Okay, and you know very well the length of one box is 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know very well it is positive side of x-axis and negative side of x-axis is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. And similarly upward positive y-axis and downward negative y-axis. Okay, and you know very well this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So the first point is 2, 3. Here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is positive, so it will lie on first quadrant. Okay, now check it. Yes, so this is x coordinate, and this is y coordinate of the points. X coordinate second name is abscissa and the y coordinate second name is ordinate. Okay, and the intersection point of these two lines is known as origin, and the point of origin is 0, 0 always. Okay, so 2 and 3. Here x axis is 2, so this is positive direction of x axis, so 1, 2. Okay, at 2 you will draw perpendicular like this way. Okay, and here y coordinate is positive 3. Okay, now positive direction of y is here, so 1, 2, 3. This is your 3. Okay, now you will draw one perpendicular like this way. Okay, so this intersection point is representation of 2, 3. Okay, this intersection point is representation of 2, 3. Okay, now second point is here x coordinate is minus 4 and y coordinate is 3. So because x coordinate is minus 4, so here it will lie left side of x axis. Okay, so minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So at minus 4 draw perpendicular like this way. Okay, and here y is positive 3. So where positive 3 on y axis, 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Okay, again draw perpendicular like this way. Okay, yes, the intersection point of these two perpendicular is representation of 4 minus 3. Okay, on Cartesian plane. Clear? Now third point is minus 5 minus 1. Here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is negative. X coordinate is negative and y coordinate is negative. So you can tell it will lie on third quadrant. And you can see here x coordinate negative and y coordinate positive, so it will lie on second quadrant. Okay, you can see here it is lie on second quadrant. Okay, now plot this third point. Here x coordinate is minus 5. Minus 5 is here. Okay, negative direction of x is this. So draw perpendicular like this way. It is minus 5. Okay, and y coordinate is minus 1. Okay, so where y is negative and downward. Okay, minus 1. This is minus 1. Okay, draw perpendicular like this way. Okay, this is intersection point. So this intersection point is representing on minus 5 and minus 1. Okay, now fourth one is 5 and 0. X coordinate is 5. X coordinate is 5. So where positive direction of x is right side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is x coordinate. Okay, 5. And y coordinate is 0 because y coordinate is 0 here. So it will not lie on y axis. So that is only. So this point lie on x axis. If y axis is 0, y coordinate is 0, so that point lie on only x axis. If y coordinate is 0, okay, if y coordinate is 0, so point lie on x axis. Okay, if x coordinate is 0, suppose 0, 4, so where it will lie? Because here x axis is 0, so x तो है ही नहीं, it will lie on y axis here. Okay, it is clear? Okay.